this evening we're gonna show you how you can make yourself a nice lovely Coca-Cola jerk chicken bite, and hopefully we'll enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's coming up to New Year's Eve and New Year. Happy New Year when it comes, guys. Have a wonderful New Year, and I said thank you very much for for all your comments and the support you give me. Here's the recipe coming out for you. Day by day we are giving you a recipe, so stay tuned as I show you to make a Coca-Cola. Nice. As you can see right here, I got some hip piece of the chicken, the debone. This part is where is the boneless part of the chicken and is the hip part of the chicken down to the leg bit. As you can see, I got 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces right here, which I'm gonna marinate, and I'm gonna show you how to make a Jamaican Coca-Cola jerk chicken bite. Nice recipe, guys. Well, simple. I want to simply say to you, as I can see right here, I got some seasoning. The seasoning, I got some fresh thyme right here, some carrot and some white onion and some fresh garlic, which I just cut up just now. So simple is to go back to the chicken, and what we're gonna do is to get the chicken nice and lovely. As you can see right here, the chicken. Now we're gonna put all of these season on the chicken, guys, right here like this. Make a nice lovely Coca-Cola jerk chicken. Freshly cut up some fresh thyme like this using my cutting scissors. I'll cut up some fresh thyme inside of it, bringing the flavor of the chicken. Right over here I got a can of Coca-Cola. You can get Coca-Cola at any local shop, supermarket, anywhere. Simple. Put a little bit on top of it like that. Get that froth inside of it. Nice one. Simple. Pinch of all-purpose seasoning. That's what we normally use every day. Meat seasoning. If you're at home, you can use the daily basic season where you use to marinate the chicken, or your season where you normally use daily on a daily basic. All-purpose seasoning. Bringing the flavor of it, man. You're gonna love this, guys. The jerk seasoning, I'm using some lovely, nice, good, old Jamaican Grace jerk seasoning. You can make your blend, if you want to make yours, you can make yours, but I love to use this jerk season. I believe is one of the best in the world, and I'm introducing it to you. If you're at home, you can try it, guys. Never go wrong. I might put a little bit more chicken seasoning, a little bit more of the all-purpose, and a pinch of coarse pepper, and also this is a simple. Give it a little mix up like this, and that is the Jamaican. What I want to simply say to you guys, you can use it and marinate your meat. If you use a hand, please wash your hand very carefully after. If not, get a gloves and marinate your chicken. So getting all of the flavor inside of this. As you can see, what I'm doing right here. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna simply put a little bit of oil on it. Just a pinch of oil, guys. As you can see right here. Just a pinch of oil. Lovely. Just to bring in the flavor. So this is the Coca-Cola jerk chicken bite for your New Year's Eve or for the New Year. This is a recipe where you can use in the future or one day will benefit you when you want to do something totally different. This is a nice recipe for you. Put a little bit more of the Coca-Cola on it, bring in the flavor. Let's see, that's what's going on right here, man. That's beautiful. You don't have to put the carrot inside of it if you don't want, but the only reason why I know I love to cook with carrot. Carrot gives things flavor. That's with me. And when I'm at work, that's what I do. I cook with a lot of carrot. Taste this. Really nice. I put a little bit more all-purpose seasoning. A little bit more paprika. And a little bit more of the chicken seasoning. Just a little pinch. Not too much, cause remember, Chewy, you are putting the Coca-Cola, it takes in a way. You don't want to kill it too much. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. This is a Coca-Cola jerk chicken bite. Really nice. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments. That's what you're looking for. Beautiful. Look at that. That's really, really nice, guys. And I'm telling you something. If you don't try this at home, I'm telling you, in the new year, before the new year come, remember, try and make this. Really nice. Now we're gonna lay this inside of that oven tray. This is the oven tray right here. And what we're gonna do is lay them in the oven tray like this. What I want to simply say to you, you don't need to do this the same day. You can do this even for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, whatever you like. You can do that. As you can see what I'm doing right here, guys. Getting a beautiful chicken in the oven. Now I'm gonna cook this for roughly 25 minutes to 30 minutes because this chicken is not takes too long to cook. And I'm gonna get all of the flavor, everything, nothing gonna be waste. As you can see right here, put a little bit more of the Coca-Cola straight inside of it. In the oven, 25 to 30 minutes, and that's good to go. Whoa. Enjoy the recipe. Whoa, whoa, guys, this is amazing Coca-Cola jerk chicken bite. This is amazing. If you ever never try something like this into your own entire life, I'm telling you, I think about the recipe and I said to myself, you know what, I must share it. The recipe is such a nice recipe, and as you can see, it's just very simple, straightforward. Look at the color of the chicken, come out really perfect. It's just really nice, tastes good. I even taste it already. Oh my days. Try it at home, guys. I'm gonna share it out just so you can see what I'm talking about with a little bit of the Caribbean green salad. But come out really perfect. I just take it from the oven. It is 25 minutes and roughly 26 minutes inside of the oven. Gas mark 7 and 8 is good for it. 175 is really perfect for it also. I just take it from the oven and I'm telling you, it's one of the best chicken I ever have since 2014. I don't know about 2015 yet, but it's really good. I'm gonna share it out and make you see what I'm talking about. Beautiful Coca-Cola jerk chicken bite. Enjoy the rest of this. This is just really outstanding, really colorful, looking lovely and nice. As you can see, I got some Jamaican homemade green salad at the side, and this is a Coca-Cola jerk chicken bite. So it's just really nice, beautiful. Enjoy the recipe, guys, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching the cooking program, and as I said, we always have your favorite recipe come on out day by day. So thank you very much, and hopefully you will enjoy the recipe.